Gloria Ner Intal, fondly known as Oyi for all. I work with GSIS for 28 years and another 4 years with the Bureau of Printing, another government agency. I retired in the year 2007. Happy ako dun sa aking trabaho. I've got 4 children. One is in New Jersey, married. My second child is a nun at the St. Paul of Charts. My third is an employee now with the GSIS. And my fourth is. Okay? I've got 4 grandchildren, all boys. That's it. That's my life. And presently, I am now single. Joining the Singles for Christ. Yeah.
Shani, pwede ka ba?
Hindi na. Huwag na. Let's serve the Lord. At saka, I'm busy with my church activities and with some charity work. Thank you.